Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you if it's actually possible to withdraw from QQuest or not. I see many of already from my last video, many of you already put in the comments, and then you just want to know if this is possible, whether you should waste your time on it or if you shouldn't actually waste your time on it. So I'm just going to be addressing that in this video. So I'm just going to be going straight to the point. Of course, I will tell you I already withdrew from QQuest, but let me show you what I actually did. So this is me on the platform after a few days, which I actually posted the video, and as you can see, I've done a tax, and they pay me 15 naira for the tax, and then my affiliate is currently 2,000 naira. So I've made 2,000 naira from affiliate. Actually, I've referred almost if I click on my affiliation, you will see I've referred almost 24 people, as you can see the long list. But actually, among these 24 people, only two of them actually register with the 2,000. I don't forget, in the first video I told you 2,000, you need to pay 2,000 actually for you to activate your account. So I'm trying to make a withdrawal just to be sure if they pay, if you should waste your time on it, or if you should not waste your time referring people to this platform. So I'm just going to click on withdrawal, and I'm going to click on withdraw now. So after clicking on withdraw now, it brings me to this particular page, and then it says select wallets. Select wallet type, and then I will choose my affiliate because I only have money on my affiliate. On the other one, I don't have, I only have 15 naira. So the method, I'm going to select method. So I'm going to use bank transfer. So bank transfer, then I'm going to put how much I'm going to withdraw. So let's just withdraw the whole 2,000. Let's just withdraw the whole 2,000. So you see the limit is 1,000 naira. Charge, there's no charges. Receive, they told me I'm going to receive 2,000. So I'm just going to click on submit while selecting 2,000. So now I'm going to fill name of bank. I'm going to be using GTB. And yes, so just give me a second for me to fill in the bank name. I'm just going to blur that for you. The bank name, bank account name, already added that, and then I'm going to be putting the account number. Of course, going to be saying that because I'm going to be blowing that, and then I'm going to click on submit. So after clicking on submit, let's say it says withdraw request sent successfully. So it says successfully, and then you can see a bank transfer, blah blah blah. For 36 seconds ago, it shows me the time. It showed 2,000 naira and Nigeria conversion 1,000 blah blah blah, and then it shows pending. Send that video, and this is also an evidence to show that they actually paid you. So when I actually withdrew, or when I actually placed my withdrawal request, I placed 2,000. This is the results from request. After the pay, you can see the date, everything, and then this is also a confirmation from the bank to show that actually they actually paid. So now that you see that it's actually genuine, they actually paid. Now let me just repeat this to you again, because I see many of you are asking questions and probably you don't know actually what it's all about. So let me just repeat it to you once more, what it's all about. As you can see on my screen, as you can see on my screen, you see the tax which I've actually performed is 100 naira so far. If I scroll down here, you will see the tax. I actually completed the tax for 15 naira, and this is another tax for 15 naira. You can see the date which I actually completed. This is 29, and the other one is 25. 29 was yesterday. So you can see when I actually performed it, those are the tasks. But I told you in the previous video that we are not focusing on the task because the task is 15 naira. If you click on jobs here, you also see a lot of them. You can see 15 naira, 50, 100 naira, 150. I told you in the last video that we are actually not focusing on that. You can actually do them. I'm not saying you shouldn't do them, but you can actually do them. But then we are also, the main one which I told you that pays more is this referral program, because on their referral programs, if you come to their frequently asked questions, on their referral program, they actually pay 1,000 naira. As you can see, on minimum withdrawal of 1,000 naira, that's the minimum, and their referral program is 1,000 naira. You can see here our referral commission is 50%. This means you earn as much as 1,000 naira. So if you refer one person and this person register with 2000, like I told you in the first video, you register with 2000 on this website, and this person actually they actually register with 2000, you get 1000 naira immediately. Like you get 1000 naira immediately. You get 50% of what the person actually used to register. And this is how this works. So if you refer 10 people, you know how much that is. That's 10,000 naira. If you refer 50 people, that's 50,000 naira, because you get 1000 naira from each person which you withdraw. And now that you see that it's actually possible for you to get your money, and yeah, you can see here, you can see I've withdrawn. You can see my withdrawal. If you watch my last video, you see that my withdrawal was 0, and now you see that my withdrawal is 2000, because I really wanted to test it because of the comment you guys are giving. So I went ahead to test it almost immediately. You can see 2000 already withdraw 2000. I've performed 3 tasks, and I didn't deposit any money because I'm not promoting any job. I didn't create any job because I'm not doing that. I told you how we want to actually earn is by referring people. As you see, I already have another 1000 as referral. That's minus the one I've already withdrawn. So now I can even withdraw this one because their minimum withdrawal is 1000. So I can just put a request to withdraw. If I want to request this right now, if I go to withdraw and then withdraw now, I just need to fill in the details again, what I want to wear. I just need to choose the wallet, my affiliate wallet or my main wallet. In my main wallet, I have 100 naira, so I'm not withdrawing that. So my affiliate wallet, and then I'm just going to choose 1000 naira, and that is that. It's so simple. You say that if this is genuine, you can actually make money from this. So I will employ you to do this. Well, if you still have doubts, you don't need to do it, but it's like you refer people, they register with 2000, you get 1000. As much people as which you withdraw, as which you refer, as much money you get. Same thing to the person which you actually refer, they will also refer people, and as they are referring people, they also get money once the people register and also activate their account with 2000. So they can actually register. As you can see here, if I'm going to my affiliate, you will see many people that actually register with my link already. You see much of them. This is like more than 30 people, more than 30 plus people, but I think it's only few of them, maybe 2-3 of them that actually did activate their account with 2000 naira. So once they activate their account with 2000 naira, you also get the money, and it goes on and on and on. So this is everything, and this is the proof that CEEKQUEST actually pay. You can start it now. If you still have a doubt about it, you can leave it for someone calling me bad names in the comments. Well, that's for you. Believe it or not, well, that is that about that. If you are on this channel and if you love what I do, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, because of course during the weekend another video, another interesting one is going to be coming up. My name is Akere as usual, and I will catch you in the next one. For now, stay cool and stay blessed. Bye for now.